Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another ogboge matter come again. Hey, don't set again for Umenwan and Pradmo. Umenwan don't come and come give Pradmom woto as Pradmom take give her yesterday. Now Umenwan come out come give her woto back. Not be small thing, my people. Una know na say this our channel. We go play little of the audio give una. Mona hear how the story be before. Please, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, my amazing people, please don't forget to subscribe and also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, una will receive my video. Okay, una will receive the notification. God bless you, my amazing people. Please let me tell you guys, subscription are free. I bet subscription are free. I bet more support una get. Mona support me to grow this channel. Please support your girl by subscribing, okay, and also share the video, also like the video like this. God bless you, my amazing people. So let's go on the audio. Mona listen to the audio. Mona hear what they happen, because before we go on the comment section, now know the reason why people draw comment like this. Okay, my amazing people, let's go on the audio.
You just knock, turn the woman to single mother without no bride price. Proud mom gist TV. No ekia. Ekia TV a big woman will get money without paying any money. Also, a mom will if I bought a won't be with it. Proud mom gist TV. I paid that price before a woman pregnant a woman. Understand it now? We are not judge. You think I be like, you think my own, even my own paper, my book be like you with a check because they go for Europe. But mad woman, you're bloody civilian. Bekus, water, bekus. Why are you?
Umenwan, wait, you don't talk again. What pickles? You do it for 2 weeks, so. Pickles will be water. You do it for 2 weeks, so. My love. Pickles will be water. Umenwan, you do it for 2 weeks, so. I'm coming. My people, more no vessel in hand. Umenwan say na water pickles, and Umenwan do the pickles for good 2 weeks. Wetin make you not go back say the woman no get respect? Now wetin you talk? Not be say because the pickles na water. When you dey do the vaga, when you dey do the vaga, bros Umenwan, you forget say na water that time. No. Let's continue with the audio.
Also, you know say you don't know me. You can never know me. No, don't say you're stupid. Man, wait, call your house, go knock you. Give you, salute your head. Wallow your people. You don't even know the man. Shameless to you. Cheap woman. Now you say, come on, let me go to talk. I blame those stupid animals when they listen to you. Stupid proud mom. You are a proud mom. How are you a proud mom? How are you a proud mom? Nobody should call me when I'm alive. How are you a proud mom? You are a cheap mom. Proud mom, they are being respected. Proud mom, they are responsible. Proud mom, they are so difficult to get. It's not a cheap harlot that is easier to get. You understand me?
See, so.
The meaning of proud mom. You should get inside and get lost. You should be ashamed of your stupidity in Europe.
At least make proud mom, my people, If I not talk this thing where Mona tell me say I not talking with where I be woman. Make proud mom, may you still forget Frank matter. Now you still go the find Frank trouble when be say Frank will come see the paro. Now you be the waiting, may you forget Frank matter. You say cucumber. You say cucumber. Igbola. You say Igbola. Nah, he not reach anything. But you no go let that gbola relax. Una no make children together. Just relationship when not even reach 2 weeks. Like you said before, you say you just still enjoy this thing. That was the beginning of the saga. You let Frank rest. The more you dey find Frank trouble, the more Frank go dey come out, dey give you woto. You be woman, Frank na man. I dey always talk am, you be woman, Frank na man. If he come out come dey disgrace you now, e no too good. E no too good, so you go rest for him matter. E dey do birthday that day, you still dey saga am. So my sister, make you rest for Frank matter. You say you no like am, say gbola no reach gbola, but you no go still rest for the matter. You no go rest for Frank matter. Rest for him matter. As gbola no reach gbola, you no like am, say you just have fun. Gbola wey no reach gbola, they have fun. So my sister, rest for this man matter. Let this man be. Let am be. Let's continue with the audio, my people.
Beautiful, responsible women back in Africa are most responsible more than you. Because I said, Prado, what is useless mom you are. Bringing different men into the house where your children
are. That will not be proud mom, my sister.
Different fathers.
That will not be proud mom. Bringing different men in your apartment where your children are. That will not be proud mom. At least they not say woman not they do vaga. At least now one it go be. Let your children know one, not be different men. Umenwan come, this one come. After that one go, now another one go come. My sister, no, it's not fair.
Breakfast is not be paid. Your introduction is not be paid. And you still call yourself a proper. You're a cheap mom, man. Cheap asshole mom. Stupid woman. I paid price. I did my introduction here. 2,000 naira. I didn't give you. Let me go. If I be useless Benin boy, as I don't tell you too, if I don't hear say I don't give like 4 girls, I don't know the sugar mother. The reason why I deviate from you, because it's in your blood that no man can marry you. You always deliver children for men without that price being paid. And I reject it, I reverse it, I can never implement it without no black price. But you understand it now? Problem, it is written in your blood, your family, your lineage. No black price should be paid in you, on you. That is the reason why I left you. I dump your acts because why? I don't mingle with women that have water pickles.
Umenwan, water pickles. Pickles na water. Then you do it for 2 weeks. Me I not get why they join no. Pickles na water. Umenwan. My big bros Umenwan, you do it for good 2 weeks. Na proud mom no wan respect herself. Now she no wan rest for your matter. She like saga, she said before. She said she wants her name. Make that they call her name everywhere for social media. So it good, my people.
I have to sit with spend my precious time with water pickles. I've told you before. Hear me and hear me. I respect pickles. I worship pickles. I worship virtuous pickles.
Okay.
I worship responsible pickles. And I'll be loyal to pickles that will give my victory. Pickles that will stand by man. Not staging pickles. No water pickles. No pickles that are not responsible. Not pickles that are so cheap. People that have no dignity. But I cannot go and die inside pickles. I did not die in Lapa. I cannot die in pickles.
Oh, cool.
Don't punish pickles. When go drag me go down. In Jesus' name, say
amen.
When I saw Ekia. This cassava is gone. Cassava, bye.
The gbola is gone. Proud mom. Now true say you dey so ekia. I don't know na question I ask or not be insult, my sister. na truth. Because the way when you take dey do the thing, e can't really want make everybody believe say wetin Frank talk na truth, say you really dey so ekia. You no want gbola, you say the gbola no reach gbola, you no wan let the poor man rest. Now you go dey find Frank trouble. Because the more you talk now, the more Frank will come out, come on live video, come still dey describe your kpekus. You say man, wetin dem dey use man do when they describe woman kpekus. Right from the beginning, Umenwan dey describe women kpekus. You like am like that, now you carry. As the road no let una pass, you come out. They say, my people say, if road no let you pass, you go back. So una no need to dey fight all the time on social media. You can't dey find a trouble all the time. You make her that is stop. You make her Umenwan go come out. You know what say Umenwan mat. Umenwan mat, if you use am dey insult you and you sef your mat still thank God say 12 una na tiger. You get mat, Umenwan get mat. I wish na person wey no get mat, Umenwan jam. That person for to cry. And I wish na person wey no still get mat, wey no sabi talk, na you still jam. That person for still cry. Because you do you do gbola. You say gbola no reach gbola. You use tongue do one. You use this one do one. You use tongue, you enjoy am. You come or you not come. You come or you not come. So more na rest for this matter. Umenwan say na water kpekus. Umenwan no come. Umenwan you come or you not come. Bros Umenwan you come or you not come. You come. So more na rest for this matter. Kpekus wey dey hide dey do. Gbola wey dey hide dey do. Now una don do finish. Since last year, una no let us hear what they gave. Pradmo, he won't get view with Umenwan. Smoke gbola. You don't know, say people when they reason, they will say, na smoke gbola, then you they cry for social media. If really say that gbola na smoke gbola, you they cry for social media. You know the reason now. You know the reason wetin you dey talk. If una dey come on social media come dey talk, sometimes una dey rewatch wetin una dey do, as in the video one una dey do. Okay, my people, wetin una think about this video, my people? Mo play the audio small. I dey enjoy this audio. Mo lis ten the audio small.
Let me get peace. Let me get peace. Let me get peace. My cassava don't go. And my video you go dey analyze. You know say you be content creator. And my video you go dey analyze. You not like my again. Leave one, leave two.
I tire. Now that one I still dey talk. You say the man, gbola no reach gbola. You not let the man rest. You say some men now they'll say this woman not like her. It's okay, my love. Go and wash your cartoon. Some men go say this woman you don't like her. They not go let the woman rest. They go see they call. They call the woman. Now be this proud mom owner. My people say mass refused food, but if they sing around the food, that means he eye still dey the food. Now be your own now, my sister. You no want gbola, let the gbola be. Who like can go carry am? Any woman wey come see say they go fit Frank wahala o, they will go carry. You not let Frank rest. If you talk now, Frank now no go relax. He go still come give you woto. Huh? So my people, more listening, they enjoy the video. I never watched the video since, so
Shut up, guys. That's the same one you again. You go rest. You don't go filter that video. They go analyze my video. You don't want me again.
Commenter say, Frank, how the questions really be? Commenters. Yeah, daddy, come and sit down here. Sit down there.
How you didn't go. You get Musa for his house.
Oh, wow.
You get Musa for his house. You don't go let smoke cassava rest. Are you missing this cassava? Are you missing me? Are you missing me?
Man, why they miss you? Where you go do one once? Mona settle, Mona go back together. She like you. The way when she take they do something now. The way when she take they do something, people know say this woman like Umenwan.
Single father, two women, two single mother, two children, two father. You call yourself a proud. Shame, mom. You be ashamed of yourself. You be ashamed of yourself. Shame, mom. Two women, two children, two father. You know, you see them and they talk. Single mother are ashamed of themselves. Maybe they people make mistake any age. They hear person hear word. And you go word not for social media. And you see the talk. But Allah will be. Believe me, your mates. So that what like the pay black prices. We pay black price to virtuous women. We pay black price on a woman that is responsible. We pay black price to a woman who could lead you to your destination. We pay black price to women that can mother you. We don't pay black price to cheap women. We don't pay black price to women who could don't begin from one nanny to Nigeria go the fuck. Then you hear me and hear me clear. Black price is being paid to mothers. Black price is being paid to woman, not wolf. Platinum, you are a wolf. You know that. You are a wolf. It's only wise man that will know you that you are a wolf. And you come out in one of your videos and say, even this way voice has, if you know the way you kick it from away. You see?
Imagine waiting more that they talk. Proud mom.
If you know the way you kick it away. Shame to you. You think so that one will make you look like you be lioness. What do you mean by lioness? Lioness that cannot take care of the children. Lioness that are staging for her children. Lioness that beat up her children and lock her in cantina. Lioness that give 10 euro for her children for 3 weeks. Shameless lioness. Shameless lioness. And you still come on here and bragado with your waist. Maybe like rope at the time.
I beg you. I don't hear that one, no. My boy, this boy. My people, more rest for the audio. Like I said before, that is okay. Like I said before, now proud mom, now you define Umenwan trouble. Where Umenwan for define your trouble, me go still talk. Now you define proud Umenwan trouble because you say the gbola no reach gbola, e no reach you do. You leave the poor man alone. Let am go to whosoever when want am. When go fit take e rubbish, when go fit carry the gbola, even though na okra. Women dey when go still value the okra. So my sister, now you be the main trouble now. You people, I go leave you now. More than watch this video. Please, my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please support your girl by subscribing. Also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, now will receive the video. What do you think about this Frank Umenwan and a proud mom? What do you think about Frank and Umenwan? This my boy, he can't talk, you know they tired. So what do you think about this video? No face to drop your comment, my amazing people. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. And bye. Stay blessed, everyone. Please, my amazing people, not fail to subscribe to this channel. Support your girl. Support somebody's mom, somebody's sugar mommy, somebody's side chick, aka somebody's wife.